is our research presentation about language query, integrated query. In this presentation we provide some idea about language integrated query and how this language used to the user. We are doing this research project for our PLDC subject. In our group there are 6 members and our lecturer in charge is Mr. Lakmal Rupasinghe. First of all, we are going to know about what is LINQ. LINQ is a language integrated query. The definition of LINQ is a Microsoft programming model and methodology that essentially add formal query capabilities into Microsoft.NET based programming language. LINQ offers a compact, expressive and intelligible syntax for manipulating data. The real value of LINQ comes from its ability to apply the same query to an SQL database or a set of data, an array of objects in memory, and to many other types of data as well. LINQ requires a presence of specific language extensions. LINQ uses an SQL-like syntax to make query expressions as well beyond the capabilities of embedded SQL as implemented in programming languages. That's because embedded SQL uses a specified streamlined syntax to add SQL statements to other programming languages where there's no attempt to integrate such statements into a native syntax and typing mechanisms. Thus, you can't invoke native language structures such as functions in embedded SQL statements as you can use in LINQ because it is implemented to use native syntax structures and typing mechanisms. Furthermore, LINQ may be used to access all kind of data, whereas embedded SQL is limited to addressing only database that can handle SQL queries. So we are going to know about history of LINQ. This is convenienced by Anders Hejlsberg, creator of C#. In September 2005, first technology preview of C# 2.0 were released at PDC. Then in January 2006, first technology preview of Visual Basic 8.0 RTM were released. So then we are going to know about architecture of LINQ. The main architecture considered as its simple terms. LINQ is a series of language extensions that supports data querying in a type-safe way. It will be released with the next version Visual Studio, codenamed AUKUS. The data to be queried can take the form of XML, databases, objects and so on. LINQ is only from fetching the data from database. LINQ does not have any query operator for delete, update or insert. When you send LINQ to your L2S layer, then L2S translate that to SQL understandable query. For example, it will convert to TSQL. This is obvious because as per one of the major design specifications, we have decided to make the LINQ independent of any existing API. TSQL is standard and works for any version of SQL Server database and will continue to work with upcoming releases. Now, as usual, SQL executes that query and gives the result back to your L2S layer. Then L2S give us the result back to us in form of IE numerable. So now we are going to know